Hi everyone, Zorimori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you all the pieces I got in the last couple of weeks. I am actively shopping for my trip to Europe. I'm gonna spend all of April there. I'm really excited. For those of you who don't know, I am a full-time travel photographer. I work with magazines and brands and travel destinations. I have my own travel blog. So I'm really excited to be spending 2 weeks on assignment working, and then I added 2 extra weeks to develop my personal projects. You're probably gonna see a shopping vlog from London. I'm gonna go to the Sezane store. For those of you who follow me, you probably know that I have these little series. I always visit a Sezane shop at a destination if they have it, so I have a vlog from the New York store and from the Paris store. I'm gonna link to them in the description box below if you haven't watched them. So I'm gonna add London to that series. I'm also planning to do a shopping vlog from Paris. So far I think I'm gonna go to the Ba&sh Paris and Rouge, of course Sezane, but if there are other brands you want me to include in that shopping vlog, let me know in the comment section below. Now in today's video you're gonna see pieces from Sezane, Ba&sh Paris and other stores, Everlane. Great spring clothing that I am bringing with me on the trip and that you might want to add to your closet as well. You might have seen me style a few of the pieces. YouTube videos take me much longer to develop, but I already shared previews of the looks on my Facebook page and on Instagram. I'm gonna link both of those places in the description box below. I hope you join me, especially on Facebook. I share content on day-to-day basis, so I hope to see you on there. Also note that there is a full-on Sezane video coming covering the March 20th drop. I just split my order into 2 and only one of the boxes, the one that had 2 pieces, had arrived. This is what you're gonna see in today's video, but the timeline for the second box that has more items in it is Thursday, so once that's here, I'm gonna do a full-on video covering that March 20th drop. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. This here is the Margot dress, size 34, which is my usual size from Sezane. The print is probably one of my all-time favorite prints by the brand. It kind of reminds me of the Russian doll print, but the scale and the density of the print makes it more spring forward, and it's really hard in my opinion when you have a black background and as you have here, to make it so it's like very subtle, and I think they have achieved that. You have more yellows and greens that kind of pop at first when you look at it. I'm so excited. I have so many ideas on how to style this dress. The length of it is great. You know, Sezane is famous for doing mini dresses and skirts way too short. This one is more on the conservative side of a mini. It's a perfect length. You have a zipper that is here hidden on the side for a good fit around your body without the dress being too tight, and then at the back you have these buttons. They are kind of along the neckline again to assure that the fit over here is nice. The dress is 100% viscose, it's very light and very airy. This here is the jean dress, size 34. It's 100% cotton. You have white ecru background and black flowers. It's really soft to the touch. I think it runs a little big in my opinion. I am 34 and it is a lot of extra space up here around the chest, but that's also because I don't have big chest. If your bust is bigger, I think this will be more flattering. Another thing I am really sad about is that there are no pockets. I feel like a shirt dress is the perfect opportunity to throw in some pockets because it's really casual and you have the space, so why not? But other than that, it's a really cute classic piece. You don't have to worry that it's too trendy, you know, that it's too colorful. This is one of those like classics that you can add to many capsule wardrobes if that's what you're going after. This here is a jumper made out of 100% cotton by Ba&sh Paris. When I saw it on the website, I gasped. It's so fun. I love that the sleeve is up until here, kind of like mid-arm. The density of the knit, I would say it's medium to heavier, so it's perfect for the more chilly parts of the spring or warmer parts of fall. You have a little bit of volume here around your shoulders, which I think really pushes that design silhouette forward. Really happy with it. Ba&sh is a new brand for me so far, really consistent in sizing. I am always getting size 0 and things fit really well. As a reference, I am size 34 European by Sezane, and if that is still too abstract, I know like converting sizes between different countries and different brands can be really a mess. You can find all of my body measurements in the description box below. This is size 0, so between my measurements and this and their own size chart, I think you can really use that as a reference to nail your own sizing. I hope it's helpful. This here is the Teddy Bag by Ba&sh Paris. It's made out of suede, really beautiful design. It's a smaller size bag, but the design has presence, so big personality, even though the size of the bag itself, it's on the smaller side. You have a long adjustable strap. You have a quick access pocket here at the back. There is a magnetic closure at the front, main compartment here, and then a smaller compartment here. This is one of Ba&sh Paris' signature bag designs. It kind of reminds me of Chloe. It comes in many colors, and it's my new favorite bag that's coming to Paris with me. This dress here is by a brand called Saison. It's a brand that I recently discovered. They sell through a lot of platforms. I found them through Nordstrom's, but they also do Shop Bob and other you know, multi-brand resellers. Love 100% cotton. The fit is just perfect. You have puffed sleeves, you have that gathering under the bust that makes it extra flattering on your body. They are pockets. I got so many compliments. I wore this dress almost every day last week when I went to Southern California. I am currently considering getting it in another color. They have black, they have pale pink, and they have baby blue, so lots to choose from. I think this is a perfect romantic cottagecore inspired summer dress. This here is a mini skirt by &Other Stories. It's made out of denim, different colored panels. The denim is stretchy, so really comfortable. That always contributes to a better fit. I have so many ideas on how to style this in Paris. It's really flirty. It also comes in suede. Now this is size 0. I am usually size 2 in &Other Stories, but size 2 sold out so quickly before I was able to like say, oh, maybe I should get this. It was already gone. So I took size 0, and it does fit me, but tucking in like thicker knits, for example, it is challenging. So now I'm debating, should I send this back and hope that someone will return the size 2 so I can get that, or maybe the Parisian store of &Other Stories will have it in stock so I can just grab it. I am torn because it is really cute, and I styled it with these like Mary Jane sandals, and it's just I kind of want to wear it in Paris, so I don't know, we'll see. This here are the original cheeky jeans in organic cotton by Everlane. I'm a big fan of Everlane. They do basic, versatile core wardrobe pieces really well. These jeans are size 24 cropped. They fit great. They hug you in all the right places, and they are really high-waisted, which I love. I am not excited by the return of the low-waist jeans. To me, a high-waisted jeans is always a winner, and these organic cotton jeans by Everlane are definitely worth your consideration if you're on the market for a good everyday pair of jeans. This here is another Everlane piece. It's their new trench coat design. It's a draped, flowy trench coat, unlike their other trench coat, the Mac, which is more airline, and it's quite different compared to my Sezane trench coat, which has structure. It's more of like the wax style fabric design, versus this is like flowy. It kind of hugs your body in a different way. I'm a huge fan of the colorway, this gingham. It's black and beige. Two classic neutral colors, really easy to work with. You have endless possibilities here. You can do a monochrome where you have like all black underneath, would be really chic, or you can do like black with denim, again, so classic. You can also, my favorite will be to add a pop of color like red, for example. That will be really fun. There's so many combinations, which is why this color is selling out quickly. If you are thinking about it, you should act fast. This dress here is by Target. I was looking for something completely different, as it happens when you're in Target, and then I saw it. It's size extra small, which is my usual size by Target. The material is really nice to the touch, and also it has these like 3D cotton bumps that make you know, the dress really pretty in real life. When you look at it, it adds that kind of like texture and dimension to it. You have pockets, you have a little puff on the sleeve. The fit is really good. A midi dress, it comes in yellow as well. And for the price of $35, I mean, you can't really beat this. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of today's selection, which pieces were your favorite. Also, if you have shops that you think I absolutely must visit while I'm in London and Paris, let me know. I'm looking forward to your inside information tips. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.